Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more, help us to share our video and also subscribe to our channel. In this video we have all topics, most topics are available for you to work on, and there are some courses that we are working also on advanced mathematics. But this part we're on the limits of a function. Now this time around I want to work on computing limits. How do we compute limits? When you have a limit problem, how will you handle it? That's what I want to work on as far as this video is concerned. In this channel you can learn mathematics of your choice. Just come here, any topic you have problem with, it will surely be answered to you. Further Solutions Academy. And if you want to sponsor or you want to support us, you can contact us by +234 803 344 95990. You can WhatsApp us here and contact us for any help or any contribution. And if you have any problem, drop a comment, or you are expecting a topic, also drop a comment. Now back to story. When I'm talking about computing of limits, this time around is there are some tough questions that will be asked to limit it, and if you are not very careful, you may have mistake. Now one of them is like this: compute the following. I have the first one. Limit of s times 2 x times to 2 s times to 2 s minus 2 divided by root of x minus 2 minus 2. That is first one. The second one is like this, which I have limit of s tends to 8. This is 8, sorry. S tends to 8, and the root of x plus 1 minus 3 divided by x minus 8. Now that is one. I will solve one of them, which you can solve the second one and drop a comment after. There are more of them that I want to show, but look at this. Limits, I've told you at the beginning of our class, when we introduce limits, that we are avoiding 0 at denominator. Everything we are doing on limits is ability to avoid what? 0 at denominator. There are some questions that you have to run towards Lewis-Peters rule. There are some that you look at it and you think and you go. Now, look at this one now. I have to run towards sort here in solving these two. Now, this one, I will conjugate this and rationalize this. Conjugate the denominator and rationalize it. Why? On this part, I will conjugate the denominator and rationalize it. Because number one, if I put my limit of 8 equals to this is 0. 8 minus 8 to be 0, which is I will run to problem. The same thing here. If I have this, I have x. Okay, we have x, yes. This s, it will be 0, which is root of 0, it will be okay, this one's supposed to be plus, sorry, there's a mistake, plus, mistake. This it will be 4, root of 4 is 2, 2 minus 2 is to be, which is going to be a big problem. It means I must learn how to conjugate and rationalize, which is from the help of sort, with what I've learned on sort. Solution to one of them. Okay, let me do solution to number 1. Number 2, you can do it on your own. By solving number 1, you will know how to go for number 2. Now, I have this type of limit. My s tends to 2 bracket of x minus 2 divided by root of s plus 2 minus 2. Okay. Now, what I will just do, I will conjugate this and rationalize it, which is I will be having limits of x2 bracket of x2 divided by x plus 2 minus plus 2 multiplied by root of s plus 2 minus plus 2 divided by s plus 2 plus 2. That is meaning of conjugate. Now, conjugate means we are just applying identity 1. It means this is 1 on its own. And why am I doing it? Ability to avoid what? Roots. Ability to avoid roots somewhere. Maybe here or anywhere. I think I'm trying to avoid roots. Generally, I mean, that is what I'm trying to avoid there. Now, since I have this, with the help of this, I'll be having my limit of s tends to 2. Now, bracket close, open. I can now open my bracket, which is I'll be having x root of x plus 2 minus 2 root of x plus 2, and also plus 2x and minus 4 divided by, I don't need to stress myself here, we have done what is called difference of 2 square. It means I'll be having x plus 2 and x minus 4. It will be minus 4. Yes, I don't need to stress myself, which is with help of difference of 2 square. With help of difference of 2 square. Don't forget that's difference of 2 square. Since I have it this way, I want to factorize this upper part. How do I factorize? Now, you have to know, go to a quadratic equation, which is if I group this and this together and also the third, now I will be having limit of x tends to 2, bracket of, what is common here? Root of x plus 2, open the bracket of x minus 2. And plus, what is common here? I have 2, x plus 2. And divided by, now my denominator will be x minus 2, which is I've cut it down once and for all. Now, what can I do here also? This and this, are we talking about plus here? Now, are we talking about plus, 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 plus? This one will be 2 minus, sorry, there will be a minus there. Mistake, sorry for that. Now, this and this, you know logic of factorizing. I can turn it to what? Root of x plus 2. I'm sorry, I'm talking about limit. Limit of x tends to 2. Open a bracket of root of x plus 2 plus 2. A bracket of and s minus 2. What I'm just working on is quadratic approach, which is factorization method. Now, this will cancel this. Left with limit of s2 bracket of root of x plus 2 plus 2. Now my s tends to, I can now limit it now. At this point, there is no more 0 in my denominator. I think denominator becomes 1. Becomes successfully 1. It means I'll be having root of 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. My answer is 4. Now you can do the same thing to this one. At this point, just what you just need to do, conjugate this and rationalize it, and also the power of algebra and using sort will be needed also. That is first one. Okay. The second one, also, let me just move on to another problem that can also be of help to us. Now, for instance, I have this type of limit. Limit x tends to 1 to minus 1. I have x plus 2. I have 3x minus 1 divided by x squared plus 3x minus 2. I want to limit this function. Now, with help of our property, which is a theory of limits, we have done something like this, which is allowed. I can say that solution to this problem, limit x tends to minus 1, x plus 2, dot limit x tends to minus 1, bracket of 3x minus 1, and also, I can also continue by having divided by limit x tends to minus 1, bracket of x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now, by so doing this, I think I've done something very good. Okay, what can I do next? Normally, x tends to 1, this one will give me, when my x tends to 1, it will be 1, which is, I'll be having 1. This one is what? 3, which is going to be x tends to, which is going to be minus 4, multiplied by minus 4, and divided for, at this point, I'm already limiting. Now, divided by, this one will be minus 1, that will be 1. This one will be minus 3, which is to be back to minus 4. Now, this will cancel this. My answer will be equals to 1. That is all limit you can see. Okay, now, another question can come this way also. This hope is getting better. Okay, that to make life to be simple and learn at your own comfort. Now, I have limit of x tends to infinity. Now, 3x minus 2 divided by 9x plus 7, or close bracket. Now, I want to limit this function. To limit this function, you must be very, very careful. If I have this number, 3 multiplied by infinity plus this, it will be infinity, minus this to be infinity. A very, 9 multiplied by a very large number plus it will be infinity. If it is very large infinity, it will be what? Undefined, which is, I won't run, I won't go to anywhere. Now, how do I go? I'll go this way. Limit of x tends to infinity, bracket of 3x 2 divided by 9x plus 2. With the help of my property, I can say that limit of x tends to infinity 3x minus 2 divided by limit of x tends to infinity and 9x plus 7. Now, since I have it this way, I can continue by having, which also the same thing, limit of x tends to infinity 3 minus 2 all over x divided by limit of x tends to infinity. Now I have 9 plus 7 all over x. Now at this point I can limit. At this point I can limit my function now. Now when I'm to limit now, it means I'll be having 3 minus 2 all over infinity divided by 9 plus all over infinity, which it will give me 0. Now 3 plus minus 0 divided by 9 plus 0, which is I have 3 all over 9, which is the same thing as what? 1 all over 3. That is all. That is all. Now, please take note of that. I'm just trying to show 1 or 2 things on that part. Now, before we run out of this, I have limit of x tends to infinity 6x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by 5x squared minus 3x plus 4, close the bracket. Now, I want to limit this function. I don't know what I can do. I can't factorize. I can't do anything. 23, no. 6 and 2, no. I cannot go. It means I'll go this way. Solution. Now, limit of x tends to infinity or approach to infinity, anyhow you want to say it. 2x plus 1 divided by 5x squared minus 3x plus 4. Now, since I have it this way, I can turn it to 6 limit of x tends to infinity. Now, 6 plus 2 all over x plus 1 all over x squared divided by 5 minus 3 all over x, 4 all over x squared. Now, what am I trying to do? I've done 1 or 2 things. I divide all through by just to bring something good out. Now, limit of x, okay, I don't even, now at this point, let me just, it will be plus 1, 2 all over infinity plus 1 all over infinity squared divided by 5 minus 3 all over infinity plus 4 all over infinity squared, which I'll be having, which is also 6 plus 0 divided by 5 plus 0 plus 0. Which is my final answer will be what? 6 all over 5. 6 all over 5. Is that all? Yes, 6 all over 5. That is all I can do for now. That is computing of limits. It does not end here. I would like to continue on, but time it does not permit me. We are computing limits here. Now, in our next video, we'll be working on L'Hospital rule. Thanks for watching. Once again, further Solutions Academy. Help us to share this and also subscribe to our channel. Help us to share and subscribe. Thank you so much.